How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll quickly show you on how you can recover a replaced file on Windows. So it's going to be extremely simple. Head over to the File Explorer and then just navigate through the folder where you have made your changes. So in my case, I'm going to be using this file as an example, which is going to be the news.txt. But of course, this can work with something like folders, different file formats, and more. So to proceed, let's just right click on our file. If you're using Windows 10, it will look something like this. Just head over to Properties. And then inside this page, you want to select the last one, which is going to be previous version. Now, once inside this page, you will be able to see the previous versions of this specific file. So you can just select that specific version, click on the restore option, and from there, you have successfully recovered your replaced file on Windows. So that's how easy it is to do. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.